Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. January the 19th, 2026. KSE-100 posted another firm green candle today, showing buyers are back in control and near-term momentum is intact. Let's take a look at the chart. All right, so this is where we are, a 2262.86 point jump for the day. Another strong green candle, price comfortably above all exponential moving averages and the EMAs in a bullish stack. So far, so good. Volume once again marginally below average, but suggesting solid follow-through without a volume spike. Momentum once again elevated in overbought territory, but RSI is below its average, which signals somewhat cooling from the recent peak. But this is what happens when the bulls are regaining the stage, which you see more in more detail in MACD. Histogram once again turning positive, which shows spread intact, momentum remains supportive. ADX once again 39.59, trend is firmly established. So our verdict for the day would be that the bull trend remains in control, and today's close near the highs reinforces that. But with RSI stretched over here, the next big leg may come in bursts rather than a straight line, unlike what we had over here. It may be a little more choppy than this. As long as the price holds above this, the 10-day EMA, dips still look corrective rather than trend changing. So stay tuned. Thank you.